Hello, my name is Daniel Sanchez. I study industrial engineering in UNAD in Duitama. In 5 years, I see myself as industrial engineer working in my field. I will create my workshop company and we try to live healthy and happy life with my family. I will eat healthy, exercise more, and stop drinking alcohol. I will stop going to bed late. I wake up with more energy. My personal goal will be improve my health habits and energy my work projects. Thank you.